right, Jesse. You closing your eyes?
Look, we're in the car wash.
Wow, touch it. Good job. Fun. Woohoo.
What's coming next?
Oh.
What is it?
No!
What, honey? What do you see?
It's like March 13th, Saturday.
Is that like the octopus? You can look now. What's next? What's next? Here come the flippery things.
Oh, we're almost done.
Here come the flippery things.
Ow!
Close your eyes when you get scared. Close your eyes when you get scared. Here comes the rain. Here comes the rinses. What's coming next? Here comes the big blower. Wow, that thing's really blowing. That's what we need for you, for your shower. Did you like that?
Is that fun?
Yeah.
You like that?
Yeah.
Okay, say see you later, car wash.
See you later, Carla.
That was fun. Hey, your Southern Cruisers guys, see the no? Was it wings or no? Is that fun?
Yeah.
You weren't scared, were you?
Yeah.
You were?
I'm not scared anymore.
Not anymore, because we're all done. Okay,
We're going.
to the store.